There's nothing like the food from your garden. It's the freshest, most nutritious, and tastiest. The hardest part about starting a garden is, well, starting it. As an avid gardener, I've tried many ways to start a garden. From store-bought to do-it-yourself newspaper pots. Most take up a lot of space, cost a lot, and give you plants that will probably die when transplanted. So I created the Semple Garden Kit. It will help to keep costs low, use less space, and grow strong, sturdy plants. Fold a piece of regular paper, leaving about an inch. Roll it around the sector. Pinch the corners. Pull out the form, and fold up the bottom. Next, place it in a watertight container. Or, put down some tin foil first. Try and fit as many as you can in the container. Then use the sower to fill up the pots and plant the seeds. 3 to 5 seeds seem to work well. Add a layer of seed starter and tamp it down. Add about 2 tablespoons of water and wait for them to grow. It's a simple, low-cost solution to grow great plants and save space. For tooling, parts, shipping, and labor, I only need around $11,000. For everyone who donates $5 or more will get a Semple Garden Kit. A simple solution for urban gardening.